Welcome back to our channel. Today's amazing animal fact will surprise you as we dive into the incredible world of hummingbirds. We're talking about their unique wing structure that allows for reverse flight, a feat almost unheard of in the avian world. Hummingbirds are truly the only birds capable of flying backward, an incredible adaptation that sets them apart. This remarkable ability is made possible by a specialized ball and socket joint where their wings attach to their body, allowing an astonishing 180-degree rotation. Unlike other birds, their wings move in a figure-8 pattern, generating lift on both the upstroke and downstroke. These tiny powerhouses flap their wings between 50 to 80 times per second and up to 200 times during spectacular dives, creating their characteristic humming sound. Their long, narrow wings are perfectly designed to maximize lift, and they can adjust the wing angle for precise navigation and stability, even allowing for brief moments of upside-down flight. The downstroke provides about 75% of their lift, with the upstroke contributing the remaining 25%, a unique aerodynamic strategy. Evolutionarily, hummingbirds diverged from swifts an astonishing 42 to 55 million years ago, with the oldest fossils found in Europe dating back about 47 million years. Their adaptations for nectar feeding, including long, slender beaks and tongues, have fostered a remarkable coevolution with flowering plants. Hummingbirds possess the highest mass-specific metabolic rate among all warm-blooded animals, consuming up to twice their body weight in nectar daily. Their tiny hearts can beat an incredible 1,260 times per minute, a testament to their intense energy expenditure. To conserve energy during scarcity or at night, they enter a state of torpor, significantly slowing their metabolic rate. As crucial pollinators, they aid plant reproduction, with some plants relying exclusively on them due to specialized beak and flower morphology. Beyond nectar, they also consume small insects, providing essential protein to their diet. They possess excellent color vision, are highly attracted to bright colors, especially red and orange, and have remarkable memories for flower locations. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are territorial and aggressive, fiercely defending their feeding grounds. With over 330 species found across the Americas, these tiny birds lay incredibly small eggs, typically 2 per nest. Nature never stops amazing us. If you enjoyed this fact, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for daily animal discoveries. Comment below with the most surprising thing you learned today. See you in the next video.